Connective tissue. Connective tissue is the most widespread and abundant type of tissue found in the human body. Its primary function is to support the body and to bind or connect together all type of tissues. It also provides mechanical strength, which helps in locomotion. Connective tissues are cells which are widely separated from each other. These living cells secrete large amount of intercellular ground substance, also called matrix. The matrix is a non-living material which may be liquid, that is blood, semi-solid, that is connective tissue, or solid, that is bone. Types of connective tissue. There are three types of connective tissue. They are loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. Let's know them one by one. Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue has cells and fibers loosely arranged in the matrix. Areolar connective tissue. It is a loose connective tissue, consists of three types of cells, that are fibroblasts, macrophages, and mast cells, and two types of protein fibers, that are collagen and elastin fibers, all distributed in the matrix. Adipose tissue. It is another loose connective tissue, consists of collagen fibers, elastin fibers, fibroblasts, macrophages, and adipocytes which store fat. The adipose tissue synthesizes, stores, and metabolizes fats. It prevents heat loss by forming and insulating dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. The cells and fibers are compactly packed. If the fibers are irregular in orientation, the tissue is called dense irregular connective tissue. It is found in the skin. If the fibers show a regular orientation pattern, it is called dense regular connective tissue. Example: tendon and ligament. Specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue. It includes cartilage, bones, and blood. Cartilage. It is a semi-rigid and flexible connective tissue. The matrix is solid, flexible, and resists compression. The cells of this tissue, called chondrocytes, are bluntly angular and occur in clusters of 2 or 3 in each lacunae in the matrix. Bone. It is a rigid and strong connective tissue. Bones give protection to the internal organs. Bones provide place for attachment of muscles and help in movement and locomotion. Long bones of the limb serve the weight-bearing function. Blood. It is a connective tissue containing RBC, that is red blood cell, WBC, that is white blood cell, platelets, and plasma. The main function of the blood is transportation of gases, nutrients, etc. from one part of the body to the other part.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.